Alright, so we're playing president. Basically, it's Nick being the, Nick being an asshole. Chris, Nick
you already said that, Sean.
Nick and Chris being the bodyguards. John currently is the president.
I did not vote. Not for him, anyway.
We to get John to the giant bunker with all the tires. There's 2 assassins, Sean and Jimmy, and everyone has 1 life. The bodyguards can die, and if the president dies, basically game over. Like, he's kind of like the flag for capture the flag. But
can I end this game?
What?
Hit him over the bucket.
I don't know. He has the gun, and you have a wood. Hey, he's got wood.
Oh yeah, got wood. We're gonna come up along right, all 3 of us.
Move you that way.
Yeah, and we're going that way. Main bunker, basically on the end of the city. We're gonna come up around and come up through behind it. Basically, when we're about 50 feet away from it, we're gonna cover the shit out of you and you're gonna run for your life.
Right.
Fuck you chewing gum? Yep. Great.
President don't chew gum.
Great. Let's walk up to this tree right here and then we'll turn around and just walk up. Okay.
Should I feel special that the person gave me a cell phone?
John, expect them to be on the left, so keep looking out. Cover that you can reach this.
That one on the left. So just run the cover. Bang bang cover.
Just walk with us. Stay behind us. Oh, that was fail. Ryan, you get that jump on camera?
No.
Probably got my fail. Don't get this, okay?
Chill out.
Tell John what to do. John, stay down. Okay. Hey, what's your name, Ginger? Ginger. Stop shooting. Hit. Run. Go for your life, go. Out of the way. I didn't know what was gonna happen.
Alright, so we lost the first bodyguard, the second one got shot up, and their president ran the wrong way. Like a retard.
Yeah, Nick had no fucking clue you were over there. I was like, no!
You didn't see me.
Jimmy and Sean flanked the crap out of us.
Nick was going like this. I just came in running. I'm like, he doesn't see me.
It was a good game.
I heard it was gunfire. I just got the fuck. I was like, no!
I'm gonna play another one.